Hey guys, this video is for you if you are a 4th sem VTU student writing M4 internal exam or VTU Semester exams. And this video is from the video series that we are doing on 18 scheme M4 subject. And this includes the solutions to the most asked or the most repeated questions in the VTU Semester exam. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos and share this video with your other friends. Also watch this video till the end to know about our M4 video scanner. Okay, so the question is integrate z square along the curve C. C is from straight line to z, straight line from z equal to 0 to z equal to 3. What is this given? We'll write this in terms of the information we know. Okay, we know integration is represented as I is equal to integration from z1 to z2, right? So z1 to z2 f of z dz. Okay, so this question is given as integration z square dz. C is given here. What is this C telling? C is a straight line from z equal to 0 to z equal to 3 plus I. So if this is the z plane, right, this is the input plane to the function z square. Okay, so z equal to 0 is here. So this is z1 equal to 0 and this is 3 plus I. So 1, 2, 3, 1. So this point, this is z2 equal to 3 plus I. So we are integrating from z1 to z2, right? So that is from 0 to 3 plus I, okay, from here to here, but in what way, in which path exactly? Okay, so the path that is straight line between these 2 points. We are integrating this from along this line, okay, along the straight line from z1 to z2, 0 to 3 plus I. Okay, so that's what C is, that is telling us z1 and z2 and the path we are taking. Why we need that path specifically, we will see that. Okay, so from this, from here, where should we go? Okay, we know I is equal to what? Integration from z1 to z2, right? U dx minus v dy plus I times u dy plus v dx, right? This is what we found out in the previous slide. Okay, this is what we will get if you substitute u plus iv in f of z and dx plus I dy in dz. Okay, we will get this. So first we need to find u and v for the function f of z equal to z square. Okay, so we know f of z is equal to z square. How do you find u and v? That's all we are doing from the first model and second model. Okay, substitute, we need to substitute z is equal to x plus iy, right? So what will we get? F of z is equal to x plus iy whole square, which is nothing but x square plus 2 times x times iy plus iy square, right? So it is nothing but x square plus I times 2xy plus I square y square, right? X square plus I times 2xy. I square is nothing but minus 1. So plus into minus 1 is minus y square. So f of z or u plus iv is nothing but x square minus y square plus I times 2xy. Okay, so u or the real part is nothing but x square plus y square and v, the imaginary part, is nothing but 2xy. Okay, so we, for f of z equal to z square, we found out u is x square minus y square and v is 2xy. Okay, let me make some space and we'll continue. Okay, if we substitute u and v in this, what will we get? I equal to, from z1 to z2 is nothing but 0 to 3 plus I. 0 to 3 plus I, u is nothing but x square minus y square. X square minus y square dx minus v is nothing but 2xy dy, right? This is in bracket plus I. Okay, if integration of something plus something is there, I can write this as integration of this plus integration of this. So I'll write here again 0 to 3 plus I, u is nothing but x square minus y square dy plus v is nothing but 2xy dx. Okay, so this becomes this. So in this equation, we have integration of y with respect to x and x with respect to y. Okay, so we cannot, there is no such thing as no, if y is a function of ex, okay, we cannot integrate y dx as simply, we cannot just consider y as constant, or we cannot integrate y dx. Okay, so we need to find what y is in terms of x or what x is in terms of y and replace this entire equation with only y terms or x terms. Okay, so after this point, you have to come to this point. At this point, you have to replace all the y terms with x or replace all the x terms with y. How do you do that? You have to make use of this now. Okay, y he has given it as straight line from 0 to 3 plus I. Y it is not something else like this or like this. Okay, so see here, this is y, this is x, right? So we can write when x is 0, this line, we have to find the equation of this line. Okay, so when x is 0, y is 0. Okay, and when x is 3, y is 1. Okay, y is 1. I know this is plus I, but this is IY, so y is just 1. Okay, the x-axis is, y-axis is IY, so y is just 1. Okay, so using these 2 points, okay, we need to find the equation of this line. Okay, how do you do that? You can use any of the straight line equation formulas. Okay, since we know 2 points, I will use the 2-point formula. Okay, usually they will give directly the equation only in the exams and everything, but in case if they do not, that's what I'm covering here. I'm covering all the possible questions you might get. So if you know these 2 points, you have to find the equation of the straight line. How do you do that? The formula is basically y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It's a simple formula, straight line formula when 2 points are given. Okay, so this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, so what will you get? Y minus y1 is 0 over x minus x1 is 0 is equal to y2 minus y1 is 1 minus 0 over x2 minus x1 is 3 minus 0. Okay, that is y by x is equal to 1 by 3, y is equal to 1 by 3 times x. Okay, or x is equal to 3y. So you can either replace all the y's with this formula or all the x's with this formula in this equation. Okay, so along with this, this is the equation for y is equal to x by 3 is the equation of this line, and what we know, y varies from 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1, and x from 0 to 3. Okay, why do we need that? If we replace y or x, we should also replace the limits. Okay, the limits will no longer be 0 to 3 plus I, it will either be 0 to 3 or 0 to 1 based on what we have here. Okay, so I will use x equal to 3y to replace all the x's with y. Okay, so if I substitute x equal to 3y, what will I get? So here x square is nothing but 3y square now. So 3y square minus y square times dx minus 2. Okay, so we have to also replace dx. If x equal to 3y, then dx is equal to 3 times dy. So dx is nothing but 3 dy minus 2 times 3y dy. Okay, so now this entire equation is the x's in this entire term is replaced with y. Okay, so plus I integration from, again x is nothing but 3y square minus y square dy plus 2 times 3y y dx is nothing but 3 dy. Okay, so all the terms are in terms of y. So the limits the limits are from z to 0 to 3 plus I will convert to y from 0 to 1. Right? Y is varying from 0 to 1 because y is varying from 0 to 1. Okay, in this case. Okay, So all the terms are in terms of y and the limits are also changed in terms of y. Now it is just simple integration. Okay, what do we do? Integration from 0 to 1. 3y square is nothing but 9y square minus y square 3 dy minus 2 times 3 is 6, y times y is y square dy plus I from 0 to 1. 3y square is 9y square minus y square dy. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, so it is plus 18, y times y is y square dy. Okay, so we have here 0 to 1, 27 y square minus, or you can just 9y square minus y square is 8y square, 8y square times 3 is 24 y square dy minus 6y square dy plus I 0 to 1 8y square dy plus 18y square dy. Okay, so let me make some space and we'll continue. So we had this. So from here, integration 0 to 1, 24y square minus 6y square is 18y square dy plus I integration of 0 to 1, 8y square plus 18y square is nothing but 26y square dy. Okay, so 18 outside, integration y square is y cube by 3 from 0 to 1 plus 26 outside, integration y square is, this I have forgotten, y cube by 3 from 0 to 1. So it is nothing but 3 ones are 3 6 are 6. Y cube is 1 cube minus 0 cube plus I 26 by 3 as it is. Y cube is 1 cube minus 0 cube. 1 cube minus 0 cube is nothing but 1. 1 cube minus 0 cube is nothing but 1. So integration is nothing but 6 plus I times 26 by 3. So integration, the result of integration z square d square is a complex number, one complex number. Like just like integration of a real function is one number, 24, 25, or this 24 may discuss something like that. So integration of z square dz along the curve C from z1 equal to 0 to z2 equal to 3 plus I along the straight line is nothing but 6 plus I times 26 by 3. 6 plus I 26 by 3. Okay. The surest way to improve your CGPA is to study the previous year question papers, and this works for all branches, any subjects in VTU. For M4 subject, we have this amazing new product that you simply must have, and this is VTU Exam Video Scanner for M4. So this book includes all the previous question papers, model papers on M4, and it also includes solutions to all the questions in the question papers and model papers. Each solution will have a QR code which will open a video where that solution is explained step by step. Okay. Find the link to buy this book in the description and get your own M4 video scanner today.